Cookie made rap battles. Dream versus Jigsaw.
Now listening to Anywaywell.
Begin! Hello, my name is Dream, and I am here to say your movies are lame, and you should be ashamed for killing all those people. That's not PogChamp, man. None of your followers could compare to my hug camp stands.
I kill people,
I may have committed
do
war
tax
crimes,
fraud,
but
and
how you
then
consider
I go to sleep.
that you're just a stupid dummy and that I run quicker? Your rhymes are cancer. Should have kept them in your brain. Why don't you go back to the hospital and play Dead again?
Hello, Mr. Dream. Do you want to play a game? If not, that's okay, but it would be pretty lame. I heard you like running, the next Usain Bolt, but you're not nearly as clever. Call you Usain Dolt! It's a reverse bear rap. When you're facing me in rap, you will not escape from this jigsaw trap. Too bad you threw away your shot. Hamilton would be ashamed. Go back to your manhunts and keep getting framed.
Come here, John. It's time for your death. I will make sure you will never take another final breath. You're not a big bad villain, just a villain puppeteer. Is your name George? Because your victory's not here.
I tried your burger, man. It was gross. And it looks very high in corn syrup fructose. Seems like the luckiest man just ran out of luck. But this isn't the first time that you've ever got stuck.
Who was the winner? Who is next? You will decide. Cookie made rap battles. C.M.R.B.
Welcome to our music family. You are now listening to Anywaywell. Welcome to our music family.